This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. Dear students, in the previous session of trigonometry, we discussed trigonometric functions and we derived some basic trigonometric identities. In this session, we will discuss questions based upon trigonometric functions and identities, basic identities. So I'll take the first question here. The question says, prove the following identity. Here the identity given is sine to the power 6a plus cos to the power 6a plus 3 sine square a cos square a is equal to 1. If you recall, in the previous session, I told you few formulas of algebra, and one of the formulas was a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b cube minus 3ab a plus b. Okay, so in this case, if I convert this sine to the power 6a and cos to the power 6a as sine square a to the power 3 plus cos square a to the power 3, this consider a cube plus b cube. Okay, and this 3 sine square a cos square a will be written as such. Here I'll use the formula a cube plus b cube. So a plus b cube means I'll write sine square a plus cos square a to the power 3 minus 3 sine square a into cos square a. As you can see, 3ab. It's better to write a cube plus b cube, small a b. Everywhere it should be same. And here you can see minus 3ab. So 3a into b. A is sine square a, b is cos square a. And inside the bracket I have to write sine square a plus cos square a, and this 3 sine square a cos square a is already there. Now recall the basic identity, sine square a plus cos square is equal to 1. So in place of this I can write 1 minus, again if you check, sine square a plus cos square a, what can we say here? 1. This is 1. So minus 3 sine square a cos square a plus 3 sine square a cos square a. This part will get cancelled. 1. So at the end we have 1. And that is why this identity is proved. Okay. Now I'll take another question here. It will be better if you use your pause button here and try to attempt this question. Okay. Now I'll discuss this question. The question says the value of sine square alpha into cos square alpha inside the bracket sec square alpha plus cos sec square alpha bracket close is. So in the question it is given sine square alpha cos square alpha bracket sec square alpha cosec square alpha. Okay, we have to find the value of this. Now insert this in the bracket. It will become sine square alpha into cos square alpha into 1 upon sec square alpha can be written as cos square alpha plus again sine square alpha cos square alpha into 1 upon sine square alpha. This cos square alpha will get cancelled. Sine square alpha will get cancelled. At the end, it will be sine square alpha plus cos square alpha. Recall the basic identity. It is equal to 1. So answer for this question is what? 1. Okay. Now I'll take another question here. Now the question is, if sine alpha plus cosec alpha is equal to 2, then find sine square alpha plus cosec square alpha. Now recall the previous session where I gave you an algebra formula: a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2a into b. Okay, because if you see, sine alpha plus cosec alpha is given, a plus b given, and they have asked sine square alpha plus cosec square alpha means a square plus b square. So easily you can think about this formula. Now if I substitute, it will be sine square alpha plus cosec square alpha, whose value we have to find, is equal to sine alpha plus cosec alpha square minus 2 sine alpha into cosec alpha. This is given in the question as 2. So it will be 2 square minus cosec alpha. This is actually reciprocal. Reciprocal of what? Sine alpha. So the product will be what? 1. So 2 square minus 2 means 4 minus 2. So 2. The answer of this question is 2. Okay. This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. TestPrepAdda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties, free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad, etc. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive test, and mock test, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching the video. To stay up to date with the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.